Hi everyone, my name is Deloria Dunlap, and this is my third year here at the University of New England. I'm very excited to be here and see what is new for me in this class. I am a mother of two. I am married. I have a dog named Sasha. She's a Maltese, and I live in the state of Georgia. My hobbies include walking and shopping, looking at Turner Classic Movies, and enjoying my family. I am very excited to find out new cultures and what it takes to get into the meat of this class and see what I can learn new from other classmates. I'm intrigued, and I hope that this will be a very interesting course for me, and I hope that I learn from others and I can also give my expertise in terms of working in the healthcare field. I am a technician in endoscopy at one of the major hospitals here in the metropolitan area of Atlanta. And I really enjoy my work. I enjoy meeting people, doing new tasks every day, stamping out cancer in the state of Georgia, and giving people hope and things to look forward to in their lives. This is an opportunity for me to grow, and I hope that I get that opportunity in this classroom to learn how to mobilize my time wisely and to bring ideas and innovation to the forefront of my fellow classmates. So here I am, and I'm interested in growing, learning, and experiencing new things in this classroom. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope everyone has an awesome evening. Thank you.